Hi, this is Scarlett Gallery from Vincent Music. So today we're going to look at Rebecca and go through that middle section that's the tricky bit. So let's start with the bit that we've been working on the last couple of weeks. That's the bit that goes... So I'm going to play a bar and I want you to play it after me. Just like we did last week. Your turn. And again. Your turn. And last time. Cool. Now next bar. Your turn. Now my turn. Your turn. One last time, my turn. Your turn. Okay, now we're going to join those two bars together. So my turn first. Your turn. My turn again. Your turn. Good, so when you're doing this, I want you to be so confident that it doesn't seem like a tricky bit anymore. You can play this, I've heard you play it before, just got to be able to do it the first time, that's all. So, once you feel like you can do that and you're pretty confident with it, you're going to move on to the next section. Now this section is pretty similar to the bit you just did, so you've got to be careful that you know the difference. The next bit goes... 3, 3, 3, 2, A, 1. Your turn. And again. 3, 3, 3, 2, A1. 3, 3, 3, 2, A1. Your turn. And again. Okay, and the next bit. Good, and again. Your turn. Okay, we're going to go back to the start of that newish bit, which goes... So, I'm going to do the first bar. Now your turn. Your turn. Okay, now we're going to join them together. Your turn. Good, okay. Now we've got those two bars, we're going to go to the next two bars. Your turn. It goes 1, 2, 3, 2, A1, all on the A string. So your turn. Now play it again. 1, 2, 3, 2, A1. Your turn. And again. Your turn. Good, and now the next bit. I want you to have a look at the music for this bit. This might be the easiest bit. It's all just notes like a scale. A1, 2, 1, A3, 2, 1. So let me play, then you play back to me. Your turn. Okay, now let's go back to the bar we just did. Your turn. And then me. Your turn. Good, so this bit I think might be the trickiest 4 bars of the whole piece. So this week your focus is going to be those 4 bars. And they're not tricky notes, they're just different to what you've seen before. That's why they're tricky to learn. So I think you can do it. Just spend a lot of time, watch this video a few times, listen to me play it, and then you play it back, and I think you'll get the hang of it. Now the last thing I want to do with you is getting that clapping rhythm. We're going to get it really solid because it's all the way through this piece. Every single bar pretty much has this rhythm. Ta ti ta ti ti ti, ta ti ta ti ti ti, ta ti ta ti ti ti. Okay, can you clap that along with me? We're going to repeat it about 10 times. Ready? Ta ti ta ti ti ti, 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 ta ti ta ti ti ti. Keep going without me. Okay, good. Now get your viola. We're going to do the same rhythm but on an open A string. So I'll say it once and then we'll play together. Ta ti ta ti ti ti. Good, let's go to the D string. Do the same thing. Ta ti ta ti ti ti, 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 ta ti ta ti ti. So practice that because you're almost there. You just got to get in the groove of it. That's the rhythm that's going to help you get into the groove of it the whole time. So keep up the practice. You're almost there. I'll see you next week.